guys, it's Sophie from Sophie Slime Store. So in today's video we are making our fans' dream slime. So we put a photo up on Instagram and they commented down below their dream slimes and we picked our favourite 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and we're going to be making them today. So let's get started. Okay, so the first slime that we're making is a mango coloured cloud slime. This was suggested by Zara_EJAZ and then underscore. So we're going to be making it with a white glue. This is a tutorial too, guys, because it was much requested to do a cloud slime tutorial. So I'm just putting a little bit in because the instant snow makes a big difference. And the next step is the food dye. So we're doing red and yellow because that's what makes mango, like a colour, like an orange colour. We just start off with okay, next part is the bicarb. No. That was so much. Now we're going to activate our slime. Okay, so once you have your complete slime, you go in with your hands and you play with it. Might be a bit sticky at first, but you just got to keep on going. Okay, so what we're going to do now is we're going to make our instant snow. So we have one from KTK, so it might be different directions to your one. So you follow the directions on your instant snow package and you make your instant snow. Okay, so once you've made your instant snow, it should be really like fluffy, like nice. So what you're going to do now is you're going to get your slime and you're going to pour some on it, and you're just going to keep on adding it until it comes a cloud slime texture. So the cloud slime texture, kind of like when you stretch it, it like falls like spider webs kind of, and it looks like spider webs. It's really cool. Okay, so this is the final product of our cloud slime. It falls like super smoothly. And it's like super crunchy too. And it's really nice. So thank you so much for that suggestion. It was really good. And let's move on to the next one. Okay, so I'm just doing the exact same thing as before. So I've already put the bicarb in, and now I'm going to put my colour in. So I just want like a light green. Perfect. So now we're going to add our lotion. Okay, so what we're going to do now is we're going to add our corn flour. Look how much corn flour we have, guys. It's ridiculous. We're going to add 1, 2, 3. I think that was like 4. Half a tablespoon. Let's just say that much. So what we're going to do now is just going to mix that all together, and then if it's not thick enough, we're going to add some more. Okay, so I have the thickness that I want. It is like super duper thick. So now I'm going to activate it. Okay, so what we're gonna do now is we're gonna add the balls, the foam balls. But I'll be back when I've done it because I'm in a bit of a sticky situation right now. So much Jade_24901 for requesting this amazing slime. Good job. Alright, let's move on to the next one. Okay, so the next one we're making is a super crunchy slime. So we're gonna do clear glue. I'm gonna make it a like galaxy purple color. So to make that purple galaxy color, I'm going to add glue. 2 drops, 2 drops of red. Okay, so now I'm going to add some sticky. Now I'm going to add a little bit of water. A little bit too much water. Special. Alright, so now we're going to add a lot of these beans. I don't want stuff all over my fingers. Looks awesome. Okay, so now we're going to activate it. So this is the finished product of the slime. I actually love it. It's so crunchy. It is so good. Thank you so much, Alicia Eliam, for suggesting this slime. Okay, so this slime is just a regular slime, but we're going to be turning it into an aqua and peachy coloured swirl slime. And we are on a live right now. Everyone is saying hi, Sophie's YouTube channel. Hello, everybody. Alrighty, so what we're going to do is we're going to take our slime, rip it in half. I'm going to dye this one aqua and this one peach. So, to make aqua, it is blue and green. And to make peach, it is yellow and red. So I'm just going to mix them in now. Okay, so now we have our 2 colors. We're going to swirl them. So what you're going to do is you're going to put them into 2 long sausages like that. You're going to add them together and you're going to stretch them 1, 2, and then put it in your container. Oh, that's so pretty. Okay, thank you so much, Annalise07, for requesting this slime. Okay, so the next slime that we're making was requested to me by my brother. We're going to add all of this glitter into our slime. So we're going to add some glue in. So you guys, we added all of 20 glitters into the slime. This is crazy.